Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are looking at Beabull Coin. Beabull Coin already launched at 31st of July, and we will also look what the price is doing at least of the video at the end. And now let's have a look on their website. It's with huge informations. You have here a small intro of that token. Quite nice token graphics here, and they also have a certificate. It is just the contract address they show here. It's sure on Binance Smart Chain, so you can buy this token on PancakeSwap, and the total amount of 1 trillion is available. It's very interesting to see. I want to start from the end, right? From the end of this website, because it's interesting to see what is actually their mission. Beabull Coin's mission is simple. Our goal from the start was to create a meme coin that not only rewards holders, but it also helps charities too. That's nice. We wanted that coin to have utility for growth. The main focus of this project is to create our own decentralized exchange with ultra low bottom line fees. So that's quite nice. They want to make here an exchange also, so it's not anymore a meme coin. And here it goes further. Our story. Beabull Coin was created after our team wanted to create a meme coin that different from others. We wanted to help other people with the same problem that we face every day buying and selling cryptocurrency. We created Supermeme, a fully green, transparent project with backgrounds in media, programming, and several charity and voluntary workers. Our team believe and have drive to make this a very successful project and venture for all. So, now we know more about that. How can I support Beabull Coin project? For sure, you can Twitter, etc., YouTube, whatever. We have here a story. So they began as a meme coin, right? And they say right now we want more than a meme coin. We want an exchange with low fees. And here are some features of this token. Beabull Coin tokenomics promote holding by reflecting 3% of each sale back to its holders. So that means from a transaction you also get money, right? From a selling point. Anti-whale. All transactions are limited to a maximum buy and sell 0.5% of total supply to avoid massive changes in price. So what they want here is increase the value of the project and try to save somehow also the investors from a big whale who wants just fast money and then go out of this project, right? Buyback liquidity burn. 5% of all trades are constantly added to increase liquidity, and 5% burn automatically once the buyback burn activates in order to decrease the supply. By reducing coins in circulations, those that are in existence become more valuable over time. That's right. Deflationary. There's an initial burn of 20% of the total supply after launching, and an additional 5% burning on all other transactions. Building a strong community. Here's a Beabull Coin. We are constantly working towards developing new ways to help the blockchain run safely and secured and adapt to the end user's need. Verified contract. For sure it's verified. It's on Binance Smart Chain. You have to do this verification that your token is officially listed or officially been on the blockchain, so you can trade it if the contract is 100% clear. Tech is safe and secured. Beabull token will submit a two-stage smart contract audit test. Beabull passed the first stage of smart contract audit selection by TechRate. Second stage audit will be done immediately after the fair launching within 15 days. Development in marketing. 5% development and 5% marketing of every trade is used to add in marketing development wallet, which will be used to spend for future implementations of whole ecosystem. So you need marketing. Marketing is very important. If no one knows your product, no one can buy it. You can have the best product on the world. If no one knows about it, no one can buy it, right? So in here we have a roadmap. You can look this by yourself. We have here the tokenomics. Let's see what they write here. We have a Beabull employs 3 simple functions: reflection and buyback. So we saw this from further up. The transaction is taxed at 12% fee, which is split in 3 ways: reflection to holders, buyback, liquidity, burning, development, and marketing. What are the benefits? Here's again what you can earn if you just hold the tokens. They increase permanent, right? So there's just the end of the full token amount. Our team, we have here founder and CEO Carmel Arden, Ali Vahai, blockchain consultant, Amandine B, global project promoter, Midnight Prince. So this is some influencer, and Johnny B, social media expert. So how to buy? You can buy it for sure on PancakeSwap. How to buy this? You can see other YouTube videos. They show it very good how you can buy a Binance Smart Chain token on PancakeSwap. And yeah, that's it. That's it for now. On the website, let's have a look here. They have also white paper. In this white paper, you can read much more details behind this project, and it's very interesting. They show here exactly the same what they write on the website. From this point, I can say until now it's trustworthy, right? You have here the charities. You have here explanation what is a BEP20 token. All facts are here again. They show all facts again here on their white paper, but you can read this by yourself. And I don't see here any downside from this project, right? We have here already 24,000 members, 906 online, and if we look here on the chart right now, they started 31st of July. You can see here's much investment. Now it goes sideways until more people know about this project, right? So that's why for them it's very important to have this step with marketing. Without marketing, nothing works, right? In the crypto scene. So what do you think about this token? Let me know. Write it into this write it down into the comments. Give me a like, make a subscribe if you want to see more of these coins which are available but not already listed everywhere, right? And this could be a huge gem if this token will be listed soon, right? And then we know all these charts. It starts like this, okay? Then everyone wants to be the first to invest in this token, and then it goes like this, and then it gets listed, and then another 100-200% up, and everyone is crying, why didn't I know this before? Now you know it before. Now you can invest and make the best out of this information, right? So until then, I can say see you later, alligator. Make some nice profits and see you next time. Bye.